Welcome to my channel. We will be starting a new series of converting expressions from infix to prefix. The rule 1 is higher precedence. This is exactly the same as what we have seen of converting from infix to postfix. If the incoming operator has higher precedence than the operator, that is the top of the stack operator, then the incoming operator will be pushed into the stack. Let us take this expression, right? And then we will first reverse this expression. For converting from infix to prefix, we need to first reverse the expression. So I will say here C plus B star A. After reversing, we will do the same method as we have done for infix to postfix. Input, I will say here stack, I will say here output, right? And then we will scan this expression from left to right. Here I have C, the first token is C. C is not an operator, therefore I will put it in the output. Now comes plus. Plus is an operator, I will push it into the stack. C remains as it is in the output. Now comes B. B is a token, it is not an operator, therefore plus remains as it is. I will say here C B, right? CB. Now comes star. Star is an operator. Now the rule 1 applies. If the incoming operator star has greater precedence than the operator in the stack, that is plus, then we push star into the stack, correct? And then I will write CB here. So C is done, plus is done, B is done, star is done. Now I have A. A is not an operator. So here star comes, right? Star. Where do I push it? In the top of the stack. So star and then plus remains as it is, correct? So now the stack will contain, stack contained first plus, right? And then we pushed, after pushing star, it contains plus and star. Due to lack of space, I am writing star to the right of plus. So star is now the top of the stack. Star is now the top of the stack, correct? Now I have A at the end. I'll say plus star CB A. CBA. Now after I evaluated the whole expression, this one, right, then I will pop each and every operator out of the stack. Now I'll first pop out CBA. I'll pop out star first because it is the top of the stack, and then I will pop out plus, which is remaining. So this is a postfix expression. Now we need to reverse this expression. I'll say here plus star A B C. This exactly is our infix expression for this, this is our prefix expression for this infix expression. This is our prefix expression for this infix expression. Hope you have understood the rule number 1, which is called higher precedence. One thing I want to make it clear is that conversion from infix to prefix can be done in various ways. So these rules do not apply for each and every way. So these rules apply for the way we are doing it. First we are reversing the expression, and then we are converting and then we are evaluating the whole expression using the stack, and then we are reversing back the expression. So these rules apply only for our method and not for every other method. I hope you have liked this video, and we will look at rule number 1.1 in the next video. Thank you for watching.